Alright, so the first thing of the elbow that we are going to be palpating is the olecranon process, as well as the olecranon fossa, and each of these then connects to the triceps up through the arm. So next for the elbow, we are going to palpate the lateral epicondyle and the medial epicondyle. And each of these goes to the common extensor and the flexor tendons. So the flexor are going to be more medially up in here, and the extensors more laterally over in here. By these medial and lateral epicondyles, we have the supracondylar ridges, the lateral and the medial over here, and on those we can then feel up towards the brachioradialis right up through here. Alright, next for palpation of the elbow, we're going to have the head of the radius, which is right here, kind of by our olecranon. So the bicep has a tendon attached to it. It actually has two of them, one of them being the biceps tendon that runs down the arm right into the radial tuberosity right here by that radial head. Alright, next we have the ulna. Over here is the radial side, and up here is the radial head. And on this is the ulna right over here. Up here is the ulnar head. Alright, on this side by the thumb, we have the styloid process of the radius right here, which actually then drops off into the scaphoid, this big bone right here under the thumb. Then once we flip, we have the styloid process of the ulna right here, and then right up in here, a little bit above that process, is the triangular fibrocartilage complex right here. Alright, so on our radial side, we of course have the radius and the radial head, and then right up top here, we have what's called Lister's tubercle. It's a bump right there on top of the radius.